Hello everyone, this is S.K. Mehta, presently the President of the Indian Nuclear Society called INS, established in 1998. I wish to welcome you all to this INS series lectures. This series about 13 lectures is aimed to acquaint you with the various aspects of the nuclear energy, its utilization in various areas benefiting humanity, the limitations and the regulatory aspects in safety and protection. One of the main objectives of the INS is to promote the advancement of nuclear science and engineering and technology related to the atomic nucleus and the allied sciences and arts. With this objective, INS has been disseminating information through journals, books, reports, newsletters, seminars, and conferences. These have mainly been to keep the INS members and other scientific communities and organizations well informed about the development in the various areas of science and technology within India and world over. All it is realized that there is a need to keep the various professionals, undergraduate students, and general public knowledgeable in their respective fields of nuclear science and engineering. For the benefit of the public, some of the important and the common application of nuclear being for power, industrial use, medical diagnosis and treatment, agriculture, food preservation, and various other areas. This lecture series is made in simple language and illustration with the aim to inform the general viewer about the science, engineering, and technology, social benefits of the nuclear, application of nuclear carrier benefits in nuclear and regulatory and safety of the nuclear energy. The presentations are prepared and narrated by experts on each topic in a way that the viewers with no background knowledge about the nuclear science and engineering can understand. Our effort will be to constantly provide information about newer benefits to the society emerging out of the painstaking research and nuclear science and engineers. Viewers are encouraged to comment, suggest, and put forward questions to the experts. The channel of the constructive communication will always be open in INS, which is website ins-india.org.
Welcome all to this wonderful lecture series by Indian Nuclear Society. There are 13 lectures on various topics related to nuclear energy and its application to societal benefits. All these lectures will cover different aspects of nuclear energy in sectors like power, medicine, agriculture, and society. It illustrates in simple way the science behind nuclear reactors for all of us.
Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about career opportunities in Department of Atomic Energy, which is popularly known as DAE. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is A.K. Dureja. I work as Associate Dean of Homi Bhabha National Institute, Mumbai, and I am a life member of Indian Nuclear Society. Department of Atomic Energy was established in 1948 by the visionary Indian nuclear scientist Dr. Homi Bhabha, who envisioned it as hub for the development of nuclear science and technology and their applications. On the left hand side, what you are seeing is the headquarters of Department of Atomic Energy, close to the Gateway of India in Mumbai, and it is known as Yacht Club. And Dr. Homi Bhabha is there in the photograph, and he is explaining some of the experimental things to some of his colleagues. So today I am very happy and delighted to have this presentation on his birth anniversary. The main objectives of the department were manifold, namely to create know-how for harnessing atomic energy for power generation, that is the prime motive of the department. Then using radiation technology for societal applications in agriculture, healthcare, and industry, while carrying out basic research in a variety of domains of mathematics, science, engineering, and medicine. So, in the Department of Atomic Energy, we cover almost all the domains of science, engineering, medicines, and mathematics. On the left hand side top, you are seeing the research reactors, Dhruva reactor, and Cyrus reactors, which are helpful in developing many nuclear related activities. On the middle or top side, you are seeing some of the fruits which have been irradiated to increase the shelf life of the product. On the right hand top, you are seeing some of the experimental facility for basic sciences. On the bottom left, you are seeing a nuclear power plant site where there are some pressurized high water reactors are placed there, twin reactors. On the right hand bottom side, you are seeing Bhabha Tron 2, which are used for indigenous cancer care. As far as Indian scenario for nuclear power is concerned, India has got limited resources for uranium, that is approximately 1% of the world. But thorium reserves are plenty. We are one of the largest in the world. So, keeping these resources in mind, under the guidance of Dr. Homi Bhabha, it was decided that India will have three stages of the Indian nuclear power program. So, in the stage one, it was planned that we'll be using natural uranium based reactors. And the stage two, as you are using natural uranium in stage one, where you are using uranium 238, so it will get converted to plutonium 239 by neutron irradiation, and which we will be using in the second stage of the nuclear power program, where in addition to plutonium, thorium 232 will also be used, which will get converted to uranium 233, and which will get fed to the third stage of the nuclear power program. So it was a long-term sustainable nuclear power program. On the right hand side, what we are seeing in the diagram is there are three stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. In the stage 1, we are operating with natural uranium cooled PHWRs, which are nothing but pressurized heavy water reactors, which are natural uranium based reactors. And because of production of plutonium, which will fed to the second stage of the program, will get power from the stage 2. And because of production of uranium 233 from stage 2, will get into stage 3 of the nuclear power program. As far as mandate of the department is concerned, the prime important mandate is generation of nuclear power using various nuclear reactor systems. For example, pressurized heavy water reactors, boiling water reactors, pressurized water reactors, and fast breeder reactors. Second important mandate is basic research related to nuclear science and technology using mathematical sciences. The department has got some of the institutions which are purely working on mathematics also, like Institute of Mathematical Sciences at Chennai and Harish Chand Research Institute at Prayagraj. Then development of new reactor designs and technologies for utilizing uranium and vast thorium reserves of the country. Another mandate is develop advanced technologies for medical and healthcare, agriculture and industrial applications and spin-off technologies. Another important mandate is development of fusion technology, which is happening at Institute for Plasma Research at Gandhinagar, where India is collaborating with many international organizations also for development of fusion technology. Another important mandate is participation in international collaboration for mega science projects like International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor (ITER), which is happening in France. Another thing is facility for anti-proton and ion research, that is FAIR in Germany, and Large Hadron Collider, that is LHC, at CERN Geneva. As we have seen that the mandate of the department is multidisciplinary and high-tech in nature. To have this mandate, we need to have research in frontier areas of reactor design, structural engineering and thermal hydraulics, instrumentation, remote handling and robotics, development of reactor control system, nuclear reactor safety, fuels, materials, reprocessing, waste management and disposal, basic sciences, agriculture, isotope application, and nuclear medicines. These are some of the important areas which I have listed down, which are very, very important to maintain the mandate of the department. To conduct research, department has got various units under various heads like Research and Development Center, Public Center Undertaking, and other units. Under Research and Development Centers, we have Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC in Mumbai. We have Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, IGCAR in Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu. We have Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology, RRCAT at Indore. We have Variable Energy Cyclotron Center, VECC at Kolkata, and Atomic Minerals Directorate, that is AMD, for Exploration and Research at Hyderabad. Under the category of public sector undertakings, department has got Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, that is NPCIL, having headquarters in Mumbai. Then Indian Rare Earth Limited, that is IRE in Mumbai. We have Uranium Corporation of India Limited, UCIL, with headquarters at Jadugoda. Then we have Electronic Corporation of India Limited, ECIL, having headquarters at Hyderabad. And we have Bharati Nabhiki Vidyut Nigam Limited, basically for the development of fast breeder reactor at Kalpakkam. As far as industrial organizations are concerned, department has got High Water Board, which is HWB at headquarters at Mumbai. We have Nuclear Fuel Complex, that is NFC at Hyderabad, and we have Board of Radiation and Isotope Technology, that is BRIT at headquarters at Mumbai. Then we have service organizations like Directorate of Purchase and Stores, that is DPS in Mumbai. We have Directorate of Construction Services and State Management in Mumbai, and we have General Services Organization in Kalpakkam. In addition to R&D units as well as other units, department has got various grant in ad institutions where Government of India funds these institutions through Department of Atomic Energy. Some of these are Homi Bhabha National Institute, HBNI in Mumbai, Board of Research in Nuclear Sciences, BRNS in Mumbai, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR in Mumbai, Tata Memorial Center, TMC in Mumbai. Then we have Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, SIMP in Kolkata. Then we have Institute of Physics, IOP in Bhubaneswar. Then we have National Institute of Science Education and Research, NISER in Bhubaneswar. Institute for Plasma Research, IPR in Gandhinagar. Harishchand Research Institute, HRI in Prayagraj. Institute of Mathematical Sciences, IMSC in Chennai. Atomic Energy Education Society, AES in Mumbai. And National Board of Higher Mathematics, NBHM in Mumbai. In addition, department has also created joint academic institution like Center for Excellence in Basic Sciences with University of Mumbai. Right from its inception, the department has placed great emphasis on the in-house development of human resource for carrying out its research and development activities. And to meet this objective, BRC Training School was established in 1957 in Mumbai. And to meet the changing needs of DAE, 4 additional BRC training schools have come up in Hyderabad, Indore, and Kalpakkam. As far as career opportunities in the department is concerned, we can broadly classify all the personnel of DAE under these 4 categories. First is scientific and technical officers. They are recruited through training schools and direct recruitment. Then we have technical staff, mainly scientific assistant, foreman, draftsman, technician, paramedical staff, fire service staff, and horticultural staff. Then we have administrative staff for doing administrative and accounts activities and for purchase and stores activities. And we have auxiliary staff like security staff, driver staff, and attendants. The flagship program of the department is known as OCS program, which is orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates. It comprises of 1 year of coursework at one of the BRC training schools located at various locations. And at each location, these caters for specific needs of the departmental program. The locations and objectives are as listed here. BRC Training School at Mumbai is for engineering design and development of thermal nuclear reactors and basic research in frontier areas of science. As far as BRC Training School at IGCAR Kalpakam is concerned, the basic objective is engineering design and development of fast nuclear reactors and basic research in frontier areas of science. BRC Training School at RRCAT Indore basically focuses on laser and accelerator program. As far as BRC Training School at NFC Hyderabad is concerned, the main objective is process development, design, engineering, construction, operation, and maintenance of plants for production of nuclear fuel and high water. Atomic Energy Mineral Directorate Hyderabad Training School is mainly focusing on exploration techniques for uranium and other atomic minerals. To apply for this OCS program, one needs to be an engineering graduate or a science postgraduate with minimum 60% marks in qualified degree. The OCS program is the flagship program of the BRC training schools. It is offered under various disciplines. Under engineering sciences, it is offered for mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, metallurgy, electrical engineering, electronics, instrumentation, and computer science. And as far as basic sciences are concerned, it is offered for physics, chemistry, biosciences, radiological, safety and environmental sciences, and geology. This one-year training program is recognized for the award of postgraduate diploma from HBNI with certain minimum qualifying criteria. And for engineering graduates, it fulfills the requirement as the coursework for award of MTech degree from HBNI after completion of 1 year project work in the department. The selection for the BRC training schools is very rigorous and it is based purely on merit. Here I am showing the recruitment data for OCES DGFS program for 2021-22 batch, where we can see that in the BRC online screening test, something around 99,000 applicants were there, and out of that, around 52,000 people appeared for the screening test, and out of that, around 1,266 candidates were called for interview. And as a parallel thing, the candidates can apply through GATE score also. So in that, around 432 candidates were called for interview, and totally 198 candidates were selected for various BRC training schools. So you can see that the number of applicants for BRC training school is around 1 lakh, and the total selected is around 200. On successful completion of the training program, it guarantees employment in the department as scientific officer C in the level pay of 10 as per 7th pay commission, which generates around 95,000 rupees monthly emoluments, including all allowances like DA, HRA, and transportation allowance in Mumbai. And the posting is one of the DAE units or in Atomic Energy Regulatory Board with attractive career progression opportunities. In addition to OCS program, the department also offers graduate fellowship scheme, which is known as DGFS, DAE Graduate Fellowship Scheme, where many young professionals like to start their career only after acquiring an advanced degree like MTech or MChem degree. So to attract such individuals, DGFS scheme was initiated for engineering graduates and physics postgraduates after completing their MTech and MChem program from some of the IITs and NIT and ICT Mumbai. It's a 2-year duration fellowship scheme. It is open for engineering graduates and physics postgraduates. One needs to secure admission in BRC training school as well as the MTech program of few selected IITs, NIT and ICT. These DGFS fellows are paid stipend as well as tuition fees for completing their MTech program. And this MTech project is jointly supervised under a guidance from IIT, NIT or ICT and the Department of Atomic Energy. And in completion of the academic program, they are absorbed in the selected DA units. Meritorious and motivated engineering graduates and science postgraduates are inducted into the system, and they are in-house trained by working professionals with high degree of expertise in the respective fields, and by providing a conducive environment, their skills are honed further, and these skills are passed on to new entrants on a continuous basis. And to encourage and to motivate them further, professional incentives are provided by the department. As far as performance related incentive system is concerned, to reward the performance of an organization within department and the role of personnel in realizing these objectives, PRIS has been introduced. PRIS is a variable component of the pay which is awarded on the basis of performance of individual, group, organization measured against set goals during a given period of assessment. PRIS has got various components like organizational incentives, group incentive, and individual incentive. Under organizational incentive, based on the achievement of set mission goals and review of overall performance of the organization is given by Atomic Energy Commission. As far as group incentive is concerned, group incentive is awarded to specific groups on an annual basis based on their achieving set goals in high-end R&D areas or innovative technologies or program goals during a particular year. As far as individual incentive is concerned, grant of variable additional increments to deserving scientific and technical person at the time of promotion in recognition of their individual meritorious performance. This is individual achievements are considered and assessed by a departmental promotion committee at the time of review of merit promotions. To further strengthen the framework for human resource development in the department, Homi Bhabha National Institute was established in 2005. It was recognized as a deemed to be university by the University Grant Commission in 2005, and it was given the status of granting institution of the department in 2014. HBNI has been accredited with A plus grade by National Assessment and Accreditation Council in March 2021. HBNI was established by the department with following objectives in mind. The first is to encourage pursuit of excellence in indigenous nuclear science and technology, covering complete range of nuclear technologies based on indigenous efforts. Then to provide academic framework for integrating basic research with technology through interdisciplinary research. As we have seen in our previous presentation, the department has got various R&D units as well as various granting and institutions. So basically granting and institutions are academic in nature, and through HBNI we are trying to have an integration between academics and R&D units. Another objective is to attract and nurture high quality manpower in nuclear science and engineering. Then to make available the excellent faculty pool and strong infrastructure of DAE to outside students for research programs. As we have seen, department has got various R&D infrastructures which are being used for development of nuclear science and technology. So through HBNI, various students are also getting into the research programs of the department through these infrastructures. Another objective is to provide a window to institutes from India and abroad to participate in academic programs of department. HBNI is basically a research university and it conducts postgraduate and doctoral programs in various disciplines across all its 11 campuses. All these 11 campuses comprise of 4 R&D units of department by name Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai, Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research in Kalpakkam, Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology at Indore, and Variable Energy Cyclotron Center at Calcutta. And there are 7 granting institutions of the department, namely Harishchandra Research Institute at Prayagraj, Institute of Mathematical Sciences Chennai, Institute of Physics at Bhubaneswar, Institute of Plasma Research IPR at Gandhinagar, National Institute of Science Education and Research NISER at Bhubaneswar, Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics SINP at Calcutta, and Tata Memorial Center at Mumbai. So we can see that the various institutions which are known as constituent institutions or off-campus center of HBNI are located across the country. HBNI offers PhD program in various disciplines and it is offered at all constituent institutions. HRI and IMSC also offers an integrated PhD program. It's a 2-degree program giving MSc and PhD to the concerned students. Another program is MTech in Engineering Sciences. This program consists of 1 year of coursework and 1 year of project work. So the coursework done by the applicants who are joining BRC training schools through the OCS program is the coursework for this MTech program. And this coursework is offered at all campuses of BRC training schools, and project is offered at BRC, IGCAR, RRCAT, VCC, and some of the other DAE units. Another post-graduation program is MSc Engineering, where research content is more than that in MTech program. The duration of the project work is 1.5 years, while the duration of the coursework is up to 1 year. And this program is offered at BRC, IGCAR, VCC, IPR, and RRCAT. In addition to post-graduation program, there is a unique program as integrated MSc programs of 5-year duration at NICER Bhubaneswar. And this is the only institutions under HBNI where 12th pass students are taken as regular students. The another program is integrated MSc programs of 5-year duration at NICER, where the entrants are 12th pass students. Another set of programs are in the domain of medical and health sciences, which are primarily offered at Tata Memorial Center at Parel, Mumbai, and at Radiation Medicine Center in Parel, Mumbai, under BRC. So these programs are super specialty courses at TMC like DM program and MCH program, which are offered under medical oncology, pediatric oncology, gastroenterology, critical care, and interventional radiology. And as far as MCH program is concerned, this is offered for surgical oncology, gynecological oncology, plastic surgery, head and neck oncology, etc. As far as post-graduation courses at TMC are concerned, these are MD programs in pathology, anesthesia, radiodiagnosis, radiotherapy, microbiology, nuclear medicine, palliative medicine, immunohematology, and transfusion medicine. In addition to this, there are MSc programs which are in MSc Nursing, MSc Clinical Research, and some other newly added MSc programs under radiopharmacy, etc. Then we have postgraduate diploma courses at TMC, which is Diploma in Fusion Imaging Technology. It's a postgraduate diploma. Then we have MD program in Nuclear Medicine at RMC Parel under BRC. Then we have postgraduate diploma courses at BRC, mainly DPARP, which is known as Diploma in Radiological Physics. Then we have DMRIT, which is Diploma in Medical Radioisotope Techniques. And we have postgraduate diploma, which is given to OCS students, is known as Diploma in Nuclear Science and Engineering. These super specialty courses at TMC and postgraduate courses at TMC as well as in RMC, BARC are open to all medical doctors meeting the minimum educational qualification criteria. HBNI is participating in India ranking program offered by Ministry of Education, Government of India since its inception in 2016. This year in 2022, these rankings were announced by Honorable Minister of Education on 15th of July. As far as ranking announced, HBNI has been ranked as 11th rank under research institution category. Under university category, HBNI has secured 17th position, and under overall, it has secured 33rd position. HBNI is a young university and its performance is consistent in NIRF since the start of India ranking in 2016 by Ministry of Education, Government of India. HBNI had been awarding PhD since its inception. In 2007 and 8 academic year, 2 PhDs were awarded, and which is continuously growing with time. And in the year 2021-22, HBNI has awarded 253 PhD degrees. It's a continuous growth since its inception, with only dip in year 2021 because of pandemic. Otherwise, total PhDs awarded till March 2022 is 2058. HBNI has awarded MTech degrees to the candidates who are coming through OCS program, joining the BARC Training School at various locations. And after 1 year of coursework, they join the department and take up some project work under various divisions where they are posted. And after completion of their project work, they submit the thesis, and based on successful defense of the thesis, MTech is awarded to them. So these are the various numbers of MTech degrees which have been awarded to the candidates. And till date, in up to March 2022, 1,401 MTech degrees have been awarded. To maintain the quality of PhDs awarded by HBNI, there are various steps have been taken. Some of these are the courses to be taken by the students and the composition of the doctor committee are prescribed by the standing academic committee at the level of CIs and put up for approval by HBNI. Then depending on the research program, the students can also take courses in other CIs or other institutions with whom HBNI has MOU like IITs and ISC. Then each student has a specific doctoral committee depending upon his research topic. Usually there is at least one member of the doctoral committee from another CIOCC or another institution, outside institution. Now this doctoral committee handholds the students through his program and conducts oral general comprehensive examination and periodic reviews and also comments the reviewers for the thesis. The Board of Studies reviews the quantum and quality of the work done and the list of reviewers and make appropriate recommendation to HBNI to improve the quality. And students are encouraged to publish papers in the peer-reviewed journals. To have collaboration with other institutions of national importance in the country and outside country. To have collaboration with other institutions of national importance inside the country and internationally, HBNI has signed MOU with various institutions like Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, Indian Institute of Technology Madras, Indian Institute of Technology Indore, Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee, Institute of Chemical Technology Mumbai, Chennai Mathematical Institute Chennai, Jadavpur University Calcutta, Jadavpur Jawaharlal Nehru University New Delhi, Punjab University Chandigarh, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research Mumbai, INSTN France, and Ghent University Belgium. Foundation Day is celebrated by HBNI on 3rd of June every year, as this is the date of its recognition by University Grant Commission. On this particular day, degrees are awarded to students who have completed their academic program from HBNI. On this day, Best Thesis Awards are also given to students based on the recommendations of Board of Studies. On the eve of the Foundation Day, a cultural program is generally organized by the students and faculty members. As far as infrastructural facilities of DAE units are concerned, all the DAE units have residential townships like Anushakti Nagar, BRC Colony is one of the residential townships of the department in Mumbai. These are well-planned, self-contained community. The complexes have abundant green natural environment with hills, lakes, etc. There are educational facilities run by Atomic Energy Education Society in all the units of DAE, having excellent facilities for children. There are child daycare centers. There are sports facilities. There are community halls. There are food corners. And there are post offices and banks, making these townships self-sufficient. So in summary, the main attractions of joining the Department of Atomic Energy are intellectually challenging career in wide-ranging research and development areas, including setting up of and research using mega science, including supercomputing facilities, design, construction, operation, and maintenance of nuclear reactors and facilities, huge pool of technical knowledge, base, and expertise. It's an ideal working environment. Prospects of ample growth as an engineer or scientist added by merit-based promotions. There are enough opportunities for award of internationally prestigious fellowships. An opportunity exists for acquiring postgraduate diploma or MTech degree from Homi Bhabha National Institute along with the employment. An opportunity exists for pursuing PhD program and to apply for postdoctoral work abroad and to attend international conferences. There are green townships having medical, schooling and recreational facilities, and it gives an opportunity to serve the nation. Thank you.
So, I hope you all enjoyed this lecture. Do not miss other lecture from